In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a group page on Traveljoy. If you need to reuse an existing group booking page instead of building one from scratch, Traveljoy makes that process pretty simple. Duplicating a page can save time, help you stay consistent, and make it easier to set up a similar trip or event without redoing all the details manually. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to select so the duplicate is saved in the right place. To get started, open the group you want to work with in Traveljoy. Once you're inside that group, head to the All Travelers tab. This is where you'll be able to access the files connected to that group. From there, scroll down until you reach the Group Files section. Take your time here and locate the specific group booking page that you want to copy. This is important, especially if the group has multiple files, because you want to make sure you're duplicating the correct page before moving forward. When you find the booking page, look to the upper right corner of that file and click the three-dot menu. This opens the file options. In that menu, choose Duplicate. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll confirm how and where the new copy should be created. First, choose the group where you want the duplicated page to be saved. Make sure you select the correct destination group, especially if you manage multiple groups at once. Next, select the payment type for the duplicated page. You'll typically see options like direct or supplier. Choose the one that fits how payments should be handled for this version of the booking page. This matters because it affects how the page functions after it's copied. If Traveljoy prompts you to enter a new name, go ahead and add one. Using a clear, descriptive name can make it much easier to identify the duplicate later, especially if you're creating several similar pages for different departures or client groups. Once everything in the pop-up looks correct, click Continue. Traveljoy will then create the duplicate based on the choices you made, and that's it. You've successfully duplicated a group page on Traveljoy. If you're repeating this process often, it's a good idea to double-check the destination group, payment type, and page name before clicking Continue so everything stays organized from the start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.